Alright, we're working on the Porsche Boxster again, and as you can see, the muffler is out again, and that's because we're going to try to do a muffler delete. The cats are still here, and everything else is still here. We're just going to frame it up. And the way we're going to do it, I got all these parts from Summit Racing. I got some mandrel bent 90 degrees, and I got some 2-inch pipe and some hangers, so everything will look nice when I'm all done. Okay, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, and I installed these with M8. They're M8s, 1¼ by about 20 millimeter length, so that I can hang the rods for that in the exhaust. I got both sides hung right there. I got the nose supported where I kind of want it. To mate the old pipe with the new, I bought these, okay, from Advance. They're 2-inch ID and 1¾ inner diameter, and they're going to slide over the old pipe, and then this side should mate up with my 2-inch pipe exactly, so that I don't have to, then I can just weld around, see, like that. So that's going to be a pretty nice fit. Okay, so alright, I got some of the pipes together. Here's that piece we were talking about, the adapter. It goes into a 2-inch pipe. So the original is 1⅔. I got this adapter, fits perfectly. The section of 2-inch pipe is it's a walker pipe. I cut it to 11 inches, and then the bend comes out, and there you go. Oops, sorry. Then I can put the original cover on it, and it would look like stock with the pipes coming straight out. So we're gonna try that. But otherwise, there you go. Okay, I got it done on both sides. I got it mocked up, and then I'm gonna try to get it welded in. Okay. Okay, here's the finished product. It's all welded. I put the brackets up here, solid. I put a clamp here and welded that bracket into place. So it should be, and I even included these brackets where the tail comes out right through the license plate opening on both sides. So that look. I made it so that the factory, just like I wanted, goes in, hooks in, okay, like so. Oops, crazy. I can't do this with one hand, but anyway, there you go. That's the finished product. I mounted that back up with bracket, and I'll tighten it down in the same place, and so it's all in the same factory area. And we'll play the note for you to see what the sound sounds like. Okay. Rumble.